Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about interjections or exclamatory sentences. An interjection is a short exclamation that expresses emotion. An interjection is a part of speech that shows the emotion or feeling of the author. Let's look at some interjection words and phrases. Ah! Exclamation of fear. Ah, realization or acceptance. Aw, something sweet or cute. Bingo, acknowledge something as right. Eh, question something. Uh-oh, showing dismay. Whew, amazement and or relief. Wow, expressing surprise or admiration. Yay, congratulatory exclamation. Yeah, variant of yes. Yikes! For fear or concern. Ah, indicates a pause or a need for more time. Hmm, thinking or hesitating about something. Um, not knowing what to say. Um, pausing or being skeptical. Ew, expressing disgust. To indicate displeasure. Oh, I see or I think. Oops, making a mistake. Ouch! Exclamation of pain. Shh, an indication for silence. Yippee! An exclamation of celebration. Let's use some of these exclamatory phrases in sentences. Example, ouch! I hurt my thumb. Let's look at a few more sentences. Example, ew, I can't stand the smell of gasoline. Here's one more sentence. Example, aw, I love this birthday gift. In today's lesson, we learned about interjections or exclamatory sentences. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.